My name is Pana and I'm the Director of VT Transport Limited. We are a team of over 100 in Auckland, and we cart steel, timber, anything basically a truck can move, we do it. In New Zealand we started in 2012, full steam 2014. And ever since then, we just stuck to Hino and then kept growing the fleet from 4 trucks to in 2013, 2014 to over 100 we're running today. So, and out of that, 23 is Hino. We've got a Hino that's just clicked over 1.4 mil, and if I was here, you wouldn't think it's done 1.4 mil. We tried our first brand new Hino in 2017, and I loved it. What we can do with it and the size that it can go in, and in Auckland we're squeezing 10 houses in one little property, and you need that sharp turns on Hinos are awesome. The reliability is second to none, and the backup service that Truckstop and Hino give us is awesome. We call them, they fix our truck at night, and in the morning they leave the truck outside with the keys in the toolbox to pick up and back onto the job. So there's close to zero downtime when it comes to breakdown or when it comes to service issues here. If it wasn't for Hino and they're supplying us trucks when we need it, I think our growth wouldn't have been so quick. Very emotional photo for me. It's my great grandfather with his line of Hino FF 1983, I think they were, or 80 to 85, and that's when our family figured out that Hino is the way to go. So five generations later, we are still continuing the trend.